Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review on DEZGO. And the important details about DEZGO are: one, it has AI, it's an AI image generator. That's right, it uses stable efficient models to generate high quality images from text prompt. Put in the prompt here, then you check indicate if you want a transparent background, resolution, more options, download, you shop for it, and architecture you want to choose. I want to tweak all this. You click on online to give you the sample. So it also has a lot of stuff here. It has text to image. It has image editing, AI upscaling, background removal. Like I said here, background remover, in painting, control net functionality, text to video is in the beta stage. Free and paid options, pay as you go pricing, user friendly interface, and finally, versatile application. Now, this versatile application is because it is useful for artists, designers, content creators, and anyone needing quick, high quality visual content. So that's it for this